In the northern Punjab region of Pakistan lies the small yet vibrant town of Dinga, located in the Gujarat district. This town, founded in the 16th century by Chaudhry Mukim Khan, is home to approximately 50,000 people. Nestled between the Chenab and Jhelum rivers, Dinga enjoys strategic proximity to major cities like Lahore and Rawalpindi, while lying just 100 kilometers from the Indian border. The name Dinga holds intriguing origins. One legend suggests it was once known as Dinga, meaning Islamic center. Another claims it comes from Ding, a subcaste of the Gujar community, eventually evolving into its current. Dinga is accessible by various means. It's a 135 kilometers drive from Islamabad and about 130 kilometers from Lahore. While Dinga lacks its own train station, the nearby Gujarat station connects travelers via local transport options. Buses from major cities also provide an affordable route to reach this historic. Dinga offers a blend of history, culture, and spirituality. Must-see sites include Tapa House, a grand structure with a rich past, and Sundar Das Palace. For religious significance, Markazi Jamia Masjid is the main mosque and often a gathering spot for the community during Eid celebrations. Another notable landmark is the Nanak Sar Gurdwara, a Sikh temple that remains a symbol of the town's multicultural history pre-partition. Dinga provides various educational options, from government-run colleges to private institutions like the Grammar School, Asian College, and International Islamic University's local campus. The town's economy is supported by bustling bazaars, with spots like Galamandi, Main Bazaar, and Ravi Road, offering everything from produce to clothing and daily goods. Dinga may be small, but it is a town with deep historical roots and a vibrant community. Whether you're drawn by its heritage, cultural mix, or simply passing through, Dinga is a hidden gem in Pakistan's Punjab province, offering a unique glimpse into the past and present.